Welcome to Grandpa's Kitchen again. I'm so sorry you don't feel well and you have a terrible cough. At least that's what I think you have, since you came to this video that says how to get rid of your cough.
I'm Grandpa Owen and I love you. Come on a journey with me.
So what I'm going to tell you is a remedy that we use in our family. May or may not work for you, but we'll give it a try. So the very most important ingredient is honey. Honey is very good for getting rid of cough. And then the second most important ingredient is ginger root. And the third most important ingredient is cinnamon. So you combine the cinnamon and the ginger root and the honey together with some water and you boil it. And then you put it in your apple juice or grape juice, whichever one you want. So first of all, let's start by cutting up the ginger root. So I'm only going to use this much of the ginger root. It's about an inch of ginger root. I'm going to cut it in little pieces, but I'm not going to cut it all the way through. That way we don't have to strain it. So that goes in. Some water. And the cinnamon. First of all, bring it to boil. Then we're going to boil it for about 10 minutes. Alright, looks like it's done. So let's go ahead and put it in the container. So let's put in the honey. I'm just going to probably put in like most of the honey. I'm saving a little bit of honey for a recipe I'm using later on. You can look up online if you have a problem with vomiting. You can do raspberry leaf tea. It'll be right over here or right over here. I can't remember which side, but we'll put it up there for you. I'll use the rest of the honey for that. Okay, here we go. We're gonna keep we're just gonna take that out of there. This is the ginger root. And that's all there is to it. Let me get it, mix it up. Hey Grandma, wanna try some wassail? That one's yours. All right. Wassail for good health.
In good health.